Use ACDP to add key for BMW BDC2. Connect to the car OBD2 interface as shown in the figure. Open ACDP app. Confirm in top right that a CDP programmer is bound. Click BMW. Click FEM BDC. Click IMMO mileage. Click BDC2 ICP plus OBD F or G chassis. Click Identify car info. Click OK. Click Continue. Click OK. Save the car system data. Click OK. After verifying the car info is correct, screenshot and save it. Click Continue. Check if the IMMO is support. Click OK. Click OK. Click Obtain key data. Remove the BDC2 module and dismantle it. Click the Help for Step 1. Connect the ACDP device and BDC2 ICP interface board to the BDC2 module. Click Step 1. Read coding data. Click OK. Click Continue. After verifying the car info is correct, screenshot and save it. Click Continue. Click OK. Save coding data. Pay attention to the path, date, and time of the backup file. The file name should end with coding bin. Click OK. Read coding data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 2. Read key data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Continue. Data is being read. Click OK. Save BDC2 key data. Pay attention to the path, date, and time of the backup file. The file name should end with BDC data bin. Click OK. After verifying that the analyzed car information is correct, click Continue. Click OK to start transmitting the data. Click Continue to start programming the system. Programming ECU, please wait. Read BDC2 key data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click Step 3. Write coding data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK. Select coding data. According to the time and car VIN number, select the coding data file ending with coding bin. Click Continue. Write coding data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Return to the previous step. Click Add key. Click Method 1 Bench. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click OK. Select BDC2 key data. According to the time and car VIN number, select the coding data file ending with BDC data bin. According to the prompt, please unplug the DB15 connector on the ACDP host. Then connect the BAV key adapter. Click Continue. Put the work key into BAV key adapter. Click Continue. Click OK. Save key data. Click OK. Put the blank key into BAV key adapter. Click Continue. Check that the new key is an unlocked blank key. Click OK. Arbitrarily select an empty key slot. Click Continue. Add key finish. Click OK. Click OK. Install the BDC2 module back onto the car. Take the work key out of the car 3 meters away, and put the new key close to the induction coil and long press the ignition switch for 15 seconds to learn. After the new key learning is completed, verify whether the functions of the original car key and the new key are normal. Thank you for watching.